Ever wondered what happens inside your body when you sneeze? Your body basically launches a mini explosion. A tiny dust particle enters your nose, and your body goes. Intruder alert. Your nose sends a message to your brain faster than a text message. Your brain says, prepare the sneeze weapon. Your lungs fill with air, your chest tightens, your eyes close. Your body is basically charging up like a superhero attack. Achoo! Air blasts out of your nose at up to 160 kilometers per hour.
Believe it or not, that simple achoo was your body launching its fastest cleaning system.